Hey guys, welcome back to Angry Penguin Ballistics. Today we got Gunner McDuffie, and we also got the Master of Penetration. It's not lucky. We got the water heater set up downrange, and we got 5 pounds of the Boom Boom sauce. We're going to pack underneath of it and see what happens. Try out the Remington 700 chambered in 270 Winchester. Classic beauty. Iron sights. Bolt action. All right, go for it. Here's gonna break out the old 270 and take a shot.
I might just suck at shooting.
All about that shake. I had a half-pound Tannerite mixed up. We're gonna start off with just one. See what that does to it. Got it set right there. This is a before.
Yeah!
Yeah, that opened her up good. This one go around the bottom here. So guys, our thoughts and theory with this is trying to make a Tannerite shape charge. So whenever we shoot this and it explodes in, we might get that force and percussion to travel towards the water heater and blow this whole section open.
Goodbye, Angry Penguin.
So we're about to take out the Blue Pecker Penguin with the DPMS 556.
Now what the hell happened? It all went out instead of in.
Well, the Blue Pecker Penguin turned from an outie to an innie. So we didn't get a whole lot of damage to the water heater on that one, assuming because a lot of the percussion went out and around it. I think our next option is to maybe put the Tannerite underneath of it. See what
Don't worry about it, there ain't nothing going on here.
That's enough playing around. Let's mix up some and really send this thing. We're loaded up with 3.5 pounds of Tannerite underneath the water heater down there. Me and Gunner McDuffie is going to take the first shots at it. We're going to try to shoot simultaneously so that way we can make sure that all those Tannerite containers explode. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Special shout out to Gunner McDuffie and It's Not Lucky for helping me out with this video. We still got a water heater left, so there'll be a future video where we blow that thing up a little better. But see you soon. Thanks for watching.